In this video, I'm going to show you how to block pop-ups in Microsoft Edge quickly and easily so you can browse the web with fewer interruptions and a much cleaner experience. If you've been getting annoying pop-ups, redirects, or unwanted tabs opening in Edge, this simple setting can make a big difference right away. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech videos just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu. Click that menu to open the main options. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This will take you into the full Edge settings page where you can control privacy, security, permissions, and more. On the left side of the settings page, look for Privacy, Search, and Services. Click on that section because this is where many of Edge's browsing protection and privacy controls are located. Now, within that area, scroll down and find Site Permissions. Click Site Permissions to open the list of permissions that websites can request, like notifications, location, camera access, and more. Inside Site Permissions, look for All Permissions. This section gives you access to every permission category Edge manages for websites. Now find pop-ups and redirects and click on it. This is the exact setting that controls whether websites can open pop-ups or send you to unwanted redirect pages. Once you're inside the pop-ups and redirects page, you'll see a toggle button. Switch the block button to on. This tells Microsoft Edge to block pop-ups and redirects automatically, helping stop most unwanted interruptions before they appear. After that, you can simply close the Settings tab. Your changes are saved automatically, so you do not need to click any extra save button. From now on, Edge should block more pop-ups while you browse. If a website still needs pop-ups for something important, you can always come back to this same setting later and make exceptions for trusted sites. So just to recap, open the three-dot menu, go to Settings, select Privacy, Search and Services, open Site Permissions, go to All Permissions, choose pop-ups and redirects, and turn block on. That's it. You've now learned how to block pop-ups in Edge in just a few clicks. If this video was useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.